We rely on a wide range of resources to provide all that we need. Whether this is us as individuals, the wider society, or industries. We depend on the environment to provide these resources, such as water, chemicals we extract, and energy sources.
In the UK, our buildings are responsible for 50% primary energy use and 30% greenhouse gas emissions. We're faced with the challenge of reducing energy consumption in our buildings to meet our sustainable energy goals. This is because many of our buildings are old and drafty or built to a low standard and reliant on natural gas for heating.
A lot of the research we've been doing here at Nottingham is looking around energy efficiency measures, new systems, developing new systems that work effectively to reduce carbon emissions, reduce energy in the built environment.
Our research is about the development of transformational energy storage for both existing and new buildings to reduce dependence on fossil fuels and minimize carbon emissions in urban areas. By using thermochemical energy storage technology, we can store waste heat.
We look at intelligent resource use to ensure sustainable and resilient processes from food and agriculture to chemical production. In particular, how we treat wastes and wastewaters from these processes, including the wastewater that comes from us as individuals, or what we call sewage.
The easiest thing is reduce, reuse and recycle, just thinking about our energy efficiency measures, installing those to reduce our energy consumption, what we can do from a recycling and a reusing perspective as well.
In Nottingham, we aspire to be the first city to be carbon neutral by 2028. The action plan is ready available to all of us, and it shares lots of approaches how we may manage this, whether we do our part as an individual or where we choose to shop.